Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a new file in Figma. If you're just getting started with design or need to begin a fresh project, knowing how to quickly set up a new file is essential. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First things first, you'll need to head over to figma.com in your web browser. Once the page loads, if you haven't already logged in, go ahead and sign into your Figma account. This will bring you to your main workspace where all your projects and files are organized. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. If you're new to Figma, as this is where you'll be spending most of your time managing your design work. Now, look over to the left sidebar of your screen. You'll see several options listed there, and what you're looking for is the section labeled Drafts. Click on Drafts. This is your personal space within Figma where all your individual work and files are stored before you move them into specific teams or projects. It's essentially your workspace for experimenting and creating without any organizational constraints. Once you're in the draft section, you'll notice a plus icon or button right next to the word draft at the top of the page. This is your gateway to creating something new. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. This action will trigger a drop-down menu to appear, presenting you with different options for what type of file you'd like to create. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Design. Choosing Design creates a standard Figma design file, which is the most common file type you'll use for interface design, prototyping, and collaborative work. This file type gives you access to all of Figma's powerful design tools, layers, and features that make it such a popular choice among designers. And just like that, Figma will open a brand new blank canvas for you to start working on. You now have a fresh design file ready for whatever project you're tackling, whether it's a website mockup, app interface, or any other visual design work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.